In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a CRM in HubSpot 4. We'll build a simple, effective system that captures your contacts, moves opportunities through a clear pipeline, and keeps you on top of every follow-up. I'll walk you through each part so you know what to click and why it matters. Start by defining your CRM goal. Decide what you're tracking and how you'll measure success. Are you focused on leads, existing clients, sales opportunities, or timely follow-ups? Write this down so every choice you make in HubSpot supports that outcome. For example, a financial professional might track prospects and policies, while a virtual assistant might focus on clients and projects. Next, set up your contacts. In HubSpot, go to Contacts, then Contacts. Add people manually or import a list if you have one. Make sure each contact includes a name, email, phone number, and source so you can see where they came from. This database is the foundation of your CRM, so keep it clean and consistent. Create custom properties to capture what's unique to your process. Go to Settings, then Properties, and add fields such as lead status, budget, or service interested in. Choose labels your team understands and keep the list purposeful, so it's easy to filter and report on later. Build your sales pipeline next. Head to Sales, then Deals, and set stages that match your real process, such as new inquiry, contacted, qualified, proposal sent, and closed one. Keep it simple and realistic so deals move forward without friction. Connect contacts to deals to see who's buying and where they stand. Open a deal and associate it with the relevant contact. This links communications, activities, and deal value in one timeline for clear visibility. Track activities inside each contact record. Log calls, add notes after conversations, and track emails so context stays in one place. This history helps you remember details and keeps handoffs smooth. Add automation to save time. Go to Automation, then Workflows. Use triggers like a new contact added or a form submitted, and automate tasks such as sending a welcome email, assigning a follow-up, or updating a status. Create email templates in Conversations or email for follow-ups, introductions, and offers. Templates keep your messaging consistent and let you respond faster. Use tasks to set reminders for follow-ups and schedule calls. Aim for every contact to have a clear next action so nothing slips. Finally, build simple